There is a number that almost no car owner ever sees on their odometer, a number so far beyond what most people think is possible that it sounds like fiction. 1 million miles. And yet, somewhere out there right now, there are drivers quietly crossing that threshold. Not in exotic supercars, not in hand-built mechanical masterpieces, but in everyday vehicles. Vehicles just like yours. What do those people know that you don't? The answer might surprise you. It doesn't come from a dealership. It doesn't come from a YouTube mechanic channel. It comes from a philosophy that was born in post-war Japan, refined on factory floors in Toyota City, and quietly proven over decades of engineering culture. And the beautiful thing? Every single principle applies directly to your Kia. Whether you're driving a Sportage, a Telluride, a Sorento, or a Soul sitting in your driveway right now. Today, we're going deep. These are not quick tips. These are not 10-second hacks. These are foundational secrets. The kind of thinking that separates a car that dies at 150,000 miles from one that rolls past 1 million. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you will never look at your Kia the same way again. Secret number 1. The Kaizen mindset. Treat every service as an upgrade, not a chore. The first secret isn't about oil. It isn't about filters or fluids. It's about how you think. In Japanese manufacturing culture, there is a concept called Kaizen. It translates simply as continuous improvement. The idea is that no system is ever finished. Every single interaction with a machine is an opportunity to make it slightly better than it was before. Small improvements, applied consistently over time, compound into extraordinary results. This is exactly how you need to approach your Kia. Most car owners treat maintenance as damage control. Something goes wrong, they fix it. The check engine light comes on, they panic. The oil gets dark, they eventually get around to changing it. This is reactive thinking, and it is quietly destroying your engine one neglected mile at a time. The Kaizen approach flips that entirely. Every oil change is a chance to inspect the undercarriage. Every tire rotation is a chance to check the brake pads. Every visit to the shop is a chance to ask one simple question. Is there anything here that's starting to wear, that isn't broken yet, but will be? That question alone has saved thousands of engines from premature death. Kia's modern engines, particularly the 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder and the Theta 2-generation motors, are genuinely well-built pieces of engineering. But they reward attentiveness. They respond to care. When you start treating every 5,000-mile service like a small ritual of improvement, rather than an inconvenience to schedule around your busy life, the cumulative effect over 200,000 miles is staggering. Problems get caught before they cascade. Wear gets addressed before it becomes damage. And your Kia keeps running because nothing is ever allowed to silently deteriorate unchecked. Secret number 2. Ichigo Ichi. The first cold start of every day is sacred. There is another Japanese concept that the best long-distance drivers understand instinctively, even if they've never heard the term. Ichigo Ichi. It means one time, one meeting. Each moment is unique and will never come again. And there is no moment in your Kia's daily life more unique or more critical than the first cold start of the morning. Here is what happens inside your engine the moment you turn the key when the car has been sitting overnight. The oil has drained down from the top of the engine into the pan. The metal components, the pistons, the crankshaft bearings, the camshaft lobes, they are sitting there dry, or nearly dry, coated only in the thin film of oil that clung to them as it drained away. The moment that engine fires, those parts are moving against each other at high speed with minimal lubrication. The oil pump is working, but it takes seconds, sometimes up to 30 seconds in cold weather, for full oil pressure to reach every corner of that engine. What you do in those first 30 seconds decides more about your engine's long-term health than almost anything else. The Japanese philosophy here is patience, respect for the moment. You do not blip the throttle the instant the engine catches. You do not drop it in reverse and immediately back out of the driveway at speed. You sit, you wait, you let the idle stabilize, you let the oil pressure build, you let the coolant temperature begin to climb. And in colder climates, you give it a full 60 seconds before you move at all. And even then, you drive gently. No hard acceleration, no pushing the engine until the temperature gauge has reached its normal operating range. This single habit, practiced every single day over the life of your Kia, prevents more internal engine wear than almost any other maintenance step. The bearings that fail at 180,000 miles on neglected engines fail because they were hammered during cold starts. Repeatedly, daily, for years. Protect those first 30 seconds like they're sacred, because mechanically speaking, they absolutely are. Secret number 3. Monozukuri. The art of using genuine and specification-correct parts. Monozukuri is a Japanese word that doesn't translate cleanly into English. The closest approximation is the art and science of making things. It carries within it the idea that craft matters, that the quality of the materials and components you put into a machine directly determines the quality of what comes out. When Kia engineers designed your engine, they didn't just design the metal parts. They specified the fluids. They specified the tolerances. They specified what kind of oil, what viscosity, what spark plug gap, what coolant mixture, what transmission fluid type. Every single specification in that owner's manual exists because an engineer ran tests and determined that deviating from it would shorten the life of some component. And yet, this is exactly where most car owners start cutting corners the moment they're trying to save $20. Wrong oil viscosity doesn't just reduce fuel economy. In the tight clearances of a modern Kia engine, particularly the turbocharged variants that run quite hot, using a heavier oil than specified means it circulates more slowly when cold, starving components during those critical cold starts we just talked about. Using a lighter oil means it breaks down faster under heat, losing its protective film right when the engine needs it most. The Monozukuri mindset says, respect the design, use the oil viscosity on the cap, use the coolant type in the manual. When a spark plug wears out, replace it with the exact specification plug, the right heat range, the right electrode gap, the right material. Don't use a cheap knockoff filter that doesn't maintain proper bypass pressure. These are not upsells. These are the components the machine was designed around. Kia's turbocharged engines in particular are extremely sensitive to oil quality. The turbocharger spins at speeds that can exceed 100,000 rotations per minute. The bearing inside that turbo is fed by engine oil. When that oil is degraded or the wrong viscosity or the filter isn't flowing correctly, the turbo bearing starves, and turbocharger replacement is not a cheap afternoon. Respect the specification. Use what the engineers asked for. That is Monozukuri in your driveway. Secret number 4. Understanding the power of space. Why what you don't do. Matters in Japanese aesthetics. There is the concept of the meaningful pause, the productive empty space. It is the silence between notes that gives music meaning. In automotive terms, it translates into something profoundly practical. The maintenance intervals and driving behaviors you choose to leave space for are just as important as the ones you actively perform. What does this mean for your Kia? It means that high-revving your cold engine, consistently running the gas tank below a quarter tank, riding the brakes down long descents instead of engine braking, and short-tripping your car, taking it on dozens of 2-mile errands without ever giving it a long highway run. These are the things you are choosing not to do that will decide whether your car sees 300,000 miles or struggles to reach 150,000. Short trips are particularly destructive in a way most owners never realize. Every time you start your Kia and drive it less than about 5 miles, the engine never fully reaches operating temperature. Moisture from combustion condenses inside the engine and the exhaust system. That moisture mixes with combustion byproducts to form acids. Normally, a fully warmed engine burns all of that off. On a short trip, it doesn't. Over time, that acid contamination degrades your oil far faster than mileage alone would suggest. It corrodes your exhaust system from the inside, and it accelerates wear throughout the engine. The May principle says, give your Kia the space it needs to do its job properly. When you can combine errands into one longer trip, do it. When you're driving on the highway, let the engine breathe. Vary your speed slightly over long distances rather than holding a rigid cruise control pace for hours, which creates uneven wear on rings and cylinder walls. Let the car coast when traffic is slowing rather than riding the brakes. These spaces, these deliberate pauses in aggression, are where longevity is built. Secret number 5. Nemawashi. Building the network of professionals who know your car. Nemawashi is a Japanese process word. It describes the careful, patient groundwork you lay before making a big decision. In business, it means consulting everyone involved before implementing change, so that when the moment comes, everyone is prepared and aligned. In the context of keeping your Kia alive for 1,000,000 miles, it means something very specific. You need to build and maintain a relationship with a skilled, knowledgeable mechanic who knows your car's history intimately. One of the most underrated factors in extreme vehicle longevity is continuity of care. When the same technician services your Kia over years and years, they develop an intuitive knowledge of your specific car. They remember that your engine always runs slightly rich in cold weather, They remember that you had a small coolant leak addressed at 80,000 miles, and they watch for any recurrence. They know your driving habits and can calibrate their inspection accordingly. This accumulated knowledge is irreplaceable. The opposite of this is the owner who chases the cheapest oil change every 5,000 miles. A different chain shop each time, nobody reading the previous service notes, nobody who knows the car's history, nobody who notices that the same small problem keeps recurring. This approach treats your Kia as a generic machine rather than the specific individual vehicle it has become through use. Find a good independent shop, ideally one that specializes in Korean or Asian vehicles. Build a relationship, keep records of every single service in a dedicated folder, and treat your mechanic as a partner in your car's longevity. The Nemawashi you invest in that relationship will pay dividends in early problem detection that saves you from catastrophic failures down the road. Secret number 6. Jidoka. Teach your Kia to stop before it gets worse. Jidoka is one of the 2 pillars of the famous Toyota production system. It means automation with a human touch, but its deeper meaning is stop the process the moment a defect is detected. Don't let a problem pass downstream. Don't let it compound. Catch it at the source, address it immediately, and only then continue. For your Kia, this translates into one of the most important driving habits you can develop, learning to listen to your car and stopping the moment something sounds or feels wrong. Modern Kia vehicles are extraordinarily well instrumented. The warning lights, the temperature gauge, the oil pressure indicator, these are your engine talking to you. When the temperature gauge creeps toward hot, that is not something you watch for a few more miles. That is something you pull over for immediately. Because the difference between catching an overheating engine at the first sign and driving another 10 miles on it is the difference between a $40 thermostat replacement and a $4,000 head gasket job. Or worse, a destroyed engine. The same principle applies to sounds. A knock, a tick that appears suddenly, a grinding that wasn't there yesterday. These are early signals. The Jidoka mindset says you do not wait for your next scheduled service. You don't rationalize the noise away. You respond to the signal immediately because every mile you drive on a developing problem is a mile of compounding damage. Owners who reach 1,000,000 miles on a vehicle share one common trait. They are hyper-aware of their car's baseline. They know exactly how it sounds, how it feels, how it pulls, how the pedals respond. Any deviation from that baseline is investigated immediately. That instinctive responsiveness, that willingness to stop and address problems the moment they appear, is Jidoka in action, and it is one of the most powerful tools you have. Secret number 7. Ikigai. Find your reason to keep going. Long-term thinking changes everything. The final secret is perhaps the most unexpected. Ikigai is a Japanese concept meaning reason for being, the thing that gives your life purpose and makes you want to get up in the morning. It sounds philosophical. It is. And it applies to your Kia more directly than you might think. Here is the hard truth about vehicle longevity. The single biggest factor in whether a car reaches 1,000,000 miles is not the quality of the oil. It is not the frequency of service intervals. It is not even the quality of the parts used. It is the owner's decision to keep going, to not trade the car in at 150,000 miles, to not give up on it at the first sign of age, to commit to the long-term relationship with the vehicle rather than chasing the next new thing. The owners who drive their Kias to extraordinary mileage make a philosophical decision early on. They decide that their goal is not to have the newest car on the block. Their goal is to master the ownership of one car, to learn it deeply, maintain it obsessively, and see just how far it can go. That goal, that Ikigai, changes everything about how they approach every oil change, every noise, every repair decision. When you have committed to going the distance with your Kia, a $2,000 repair at 300,000 miles is not a reason to give up. It is an investment in a car you already know deeply, a car whose quirks you understand, whose history you hold in your hands, whose remaining value per mile is extraordinary. Trading it in for a new car means starting that entire relationship over from scratch, paying a premium for a vehicle you don't know yet, and giving up all the accumulated maintenance knowledge you built. The Japanese concept of long-term relationship, in business, in craft, in care, says that mastery compounds over time. The longer you stay with something, the deeper your understanding becomes, and the better your outcomes get. Your Kia is not a disposable appliance. It is a machine that can, with the right philosophy guiding its care, carry you past 1,000,000 miles. But only if you decide, really decide, that that is the destination you are heading toward. The bottom line, the philosophy behind the machine. 1 million miles. It is not a mechanical achievement. It is a philosophical one. The Japanese secrets we've explored today, Kaizen, Ichigo Ichi, Monozukuri, Nemawashi, Jidoka, and Ikigai, these are not garage tricks. They are ways of thinking about your relationship with your vehicle. They are frameworks for attention, patience, respect, and commitment. And every single one of them is available to you, starting with your next cold start tomorrow morning. Your Kia is ready. The question is whether you are. If this video shifted something in the way you think about your car, leave a comment below and tell me where your odometer is sitting right now. Drop your mileage in the comments. Let's see just how far the Kia community has gone together and how much further we're planning to go.